As you can see, laptop day has arrived, so it's time to dig in. This is the box that it came in. However, once I dig through that box, we get the actual box of the product. So, I've ordered an Alienware laptop, and we'll dig into the specifics in just a second, as soon as I get it out of this box. So once you poke the handle in, then you can just lift it up, like so, and there she is. So a little Alienware logo, a little Doomaflatchet thing, and I guess this is the power. There we go, 1800 watt. And now for the grand removal here. It seems a little tricky though. There's like a tray right here. Pretty straightforward box to open. Box, still like most things, way bigger than the actual product. One thing when I opened it up, if you noticed, it actually states what type it is. It's an Alienware M17R3. And this gives us the all-important knowledge of like how to plug things in and where the webcams are and microphones and all that good jazz. So we don't really need it. Next challenge is to take this giant power brick and the laptop itself and see if it fits into my main #1, numero uno, kick-ass backpack from Mission Workshop. Sucker has actually been pretty much all over the universe with me. So here's this going into the back. This is a 40-liter pack. It has the rail system on it, so I can carry all sorts of things. And I already have a Mac in there, a Mac 16, Mac OS 16, and I'm gonna take that out first. I'm gonna set that on my new box and pick this big puppy up, and we'll see, we can see the difference here. Slight difference here, 16 versus 17. And I'm gonna see if I can get the 17 in here. It looks like it's working perfectly. So it fits in, and then just for good measure, all right, everything's good. And I'm gonna slide this puppy in, and yep, as always, good old Mission Workshop. Everything fits perfectly into the bag, and I'm ready to go to the secret lab to get this thing booted up.